right now, our first bump. Check it out, our first bump. We're gonna go fast. All right.
Whoa,
bump.
that was bumpy.
All right, bump. Get in. All right. I got one of these magic mounts, and I'm making this video because every single video online has these mounts being used when the car is just in no motion possible. So we're gonna be driving this car, and this isn't a regular car, this is a sports car. We're gonna be driving it with this magic mount attached to my Samsung Galaxy S9, and we're gonna see if it goddamn well works. Now this is the box. Look, this goes on your phone, and this goes on the window. Just got it, brand new. And we're gonna see if it actually works. Now, do you think it's gonna work? I'm pretty sure it works if you're driving slowly, but if you go over a bump, and we're gonna be going over a bridge together, if you go over a bump, it's gonna just fall off. I'm pretty sure of that because, like, I don't believe these magnets, or it'll work for like a day, and then after a couple of days, it'll just fail and fade. All right, what do we have here? Got a box. This looks like a friggin' GoPro. Anyway, it's a bit durable because it's fell over. And okay, this is a magnet, and this. Now I've heard that there's already metal inside this because this has wireless charging, so this should just stick. Look, see, it sticks already
awesome.
with a Samsung phone. On iPhones, let's see if it sticks. Nope, it doesn't stick on iPhones, just on Samsungs. So I'm not even gonna use the official metal plate. I'm just gonna see if it sticks vanilla on the phone, even though there is a bit of a barrier there. So I don't know if that's clever or not. You know what? I'm gonna use the official metal plate just to make sure. I don't want no excuses. So where is this metal plate? All right. So we got one of these. This one sticks a lot firmer. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna get this out. I'm gonna slide it in the back here. I'm not even gonna stick anything because I wanna test it. Just put it on my case like that and yeah, it sticks. All right, this is the big test. Let's see if it actually works. Now, oh, this is sticky. This is actually sticky, this is glue. That's not good, right?
No, it's just a suction cap. I don't think it does. I think sometimes when you have a rubber and it's new, it's just sticky. Afterwards, it will lose its stickiness.
Oh, no, it's...
Yeah, but I think it will just lose its stickiness.
Okay.
It's still suction.
Okay. Hello. Should I just do it?
Yes.
All right, I'm doing it. I'm sticking it, and it is on. All right, the phone is there. It's on.
Nice. I like it. It's really cool.
All right. Are you scared? I'm scared.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
All right.
Let's hit that bridge.
Okay, Google. Navigate to Surfers Paradise.
What's your destination?
Surfers Paradise. Surfers Paradise. Just waiting for the traffic. It says real test over here. If it falls, that's gonna be embarrassing. It's gonna be very embarrassing. Just check out that, look. There's a Mustang right in front of me.
Mustang.
What's that? It's like this road is just Mustang Central.
It is. So is.
Alright.
I'm gonna hit that bridge. Woo! Go towards the city.
We're gonna try going over bumps. Like, the bridge is bumpy. This is gonna be a fun real life test. We're gonna go on the motorway, we're gonna get some nice things with this test. Just as soon as the traffic clears up. I'm gonna try to accelerate. You know what? Sports mode. Look, check out sports mode. Look, gear shift. Sports mode activated. There you go. The S is for sports. Sports mode. All right, we're clear. Sports mode. Here we go. Get the road as well. It feels stuck. It feels solid. Don't you think? It feels solid.
Yep.
We're gonna hit the accelerator again. Now,
Hit the bumps. Hit the bumps, babe.
The bridge is just there. Now this is a bumpy bridge. Okay, so
Bumpy dumpy.
it seems a bit solid so far. I'm a bit impressed.
Oh, look at that.
Get off.
Boom. Back on. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. All right, baby.
All right,
it's
back
green.
on.
Hit it.
All right. All right. Let's see. We're moving. right, we're now entering the bridge. We're passing past the Jasmine Room. We're hitting the city skyscrapers over there. Obviously no bumps on the road yet, but it's happening, it's happening. But right now, our first bump, check it out, our first bump. We're gonna go fast. All right,
Whoa,
bump.
that was bumpy.
All right, bump, bump. We're bumping.
We're bumping.
We're bumping.
It's holding.
It's holding.
It's holding, we're bumping.
All right, we're doing some bumps. It's still holding.
Woohoo!
There you go. There you go, my friends.
Yes.
It's a real demonstration of this unit. Seems to be working. I'm on sports mode. I'm hitting it fast. Not too fast. Still legal. Over here you can go 70 kilometers an hour. And things are looking very sturdy. I'm happy about that.
Yes.
There you go. My friends, if you're ever looking for a way to go into the future, you know, use some of this magnetic system that's available now. You don't need that stupid cradle anymore. You can just magnetify your car experience. That's it. You're welcome. Goodbye. Subscribe, like, dislike. I'll have some Mac stuff soon. Don't worry, I haven't forgot about you guys. But yeah, there's some performance demonstrations there. Oh, can you actually use it? Can I type? I'm using the screen and it hasn't fallen off.
What?
Look at that.
What?
I have a feeling though, if I tap too hard, it might fall off, right? But you see, I'm using the phone and it hasn't fallen off.
But you would never use the phone to text and drive at the same time, would you?
Never.
Never.
No one does that. No.
Never.
No. Yeah, it's still working. We're gonna go to Pottsville, Hastings Point. Should we do a turn? Let's do a turn. Let's do a turn. This is gonna be an aggressive turn. Whoosh.
Whoa! Still on there.
That was a nice bump. I like that one. That was a nice bump.
Maybe your driving is something else.
No, it's just
I'm
sports
sorry
mode.
if this is shaky, you guys.
It's meant to be shaky. We're meant to be showing
It's
that
real.
Can you believe that it's working?
Yeah, it's amazing. I'm really pleased you got it and so quick as well.
Okay, Google. Navigate to Coolangatta. You see over here they name things simply. The road we're on is called Surfers Paradise. Then we're gonna head up to a place called Broad Beach. Then it's over to Miami, Palm Beach. Then a place so cool, they called it Coolangatta. That's Australia for you. The names are just awesome.
Not sure how to help with that. For tips on what you can say, turn on the microphone and say, help.
Yeah, so this is the AI that's meant to be phoning up people and arranging appointments. Yeah, that was a staged demo, Google. Everyone knows that. Trying to go over as many bumps as possible. I am in fear of my life. Like, it'd be nice if there was a little light cradle or something just to keep me at ease. It's a real life. I can't believe no one online has done a friggin' real life drive with this thing. Is it illegal or something? Why is no one's actually, well, I'll tell you something. This is a Scosche, so I'm not sure how other brands would work. This one deliberately has 5 stars on Amazon as well, so it's a good piece of kit. Other ones, they don't have that many stars, they don't have that many reviews. I just picked this one because it was available and it was for the same price as the other ones.
Our picture.
Okay, this road is going to be nice and interesting because it has bumps. It's a very, I don't know if you feel that.
They can, because my camera is shaking.
Well, if you hear it right now, it sounds differently, this road. It's very shaky, this road. Yet the phone seems very solid. It's nice. I like it. It's alright. It's alright. I feel like an Uber driver. Uber!
Take me home, Mr. Uber driver.
Uber. Whoa, guys, we're coming across the, we see over to my right, we see the condom kingdom. Love, lust, loft. You gotta get that as a shot. Get that as a shot, babe. Get that as the background. Yeah. That's what we're doing. You gotta get this guy. This guy.
I got it. Is that you're gonna be
only
your thumbnail?
Only in the Gold Coast, guys. Oh, there we go.
It's beautiful.
Seems to be working. All right, we're gonna round it up there. As you can see, I've driven for a good, I don't know, 10 minutes. I've entertained you, you've entertained me, and this guy has made this journey worthwhile because it seems to be working. But again, check the comments, check the description, because maybe it will stop working in a few months' time and I'll have a smashed S9 on my hands. If that's the case, I hope not that's the case. I hope not. Ask me, I'll let you know. So far, I'm giving this a recommendation. Push. Yeah, still working. Boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka. I'm actually tapping it. And it's still solid. Look at that.
What?
Look at that. It's nice. Nice.
Nice. I love it. I love that it didn't fall off. I love that it got me to A to B safely. And even though we had bumps, we had ramps, we had pedestrians, we had speeds, it was just the best. I give this a 5 stars. Bye.
Goodbye. Why is there a bolt there? Why? All right, one final tip. If you are using a case and you want to use this metal attachment, don't put the metallic attachment in the middle of the phone, because that's where the charging point is. But if you put it slightly below, over here, you can see that it still works with a wireless charger. Whereas if it was higher up, it wouldn't register. All right, just doing one more test, and this test, I'm not actually using the metallic strip that came with the unit. I'm just sticking my S9 purely on the holder itself, because I want to see how reliable it is and how solid it is on its own, because I found that, you know, if you do use that metallic strip, you got to put it towards the bottom of the phone, and with me, the bottom was down there, so it doesn't quite fit on. So I'm just purely using the metal that's used for the charging point. And it seems to be, so far, surviving the bumps and driving as usual.
Hit on it.
Nah. Excuse me, Mr. Officer. Here comes the out-stamper, murderer. I'm a lyrical gangster, murderer. Excuse me, Mr. Officer, murderer. How is it floating like that?
Ew.
Yeah.